Hey there, I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and today's question session is why do so many real estate gurus bring up mindset when they start talking about real estate investing? And that's a great question because almost all of them at some point bring it up, me included. And I can tell you from personal experience, a lot of what we do way more than we even give credit for has to do with our mindset. So many times I have people in front of me who are interested in a topic, but they have fear in them. A lot of that is because of their inexperience with it before, coming up to something brand new. Another thing could be that somebody else that they know or heard about had bad experience, so they let that color their opinion about whether or not real estate investing is a viable option for them to get ahead in life. And I will tell you, it is probably the most important thing you should be aware of is how am I thinking? What is my mind drawn to when I start thinking about the possibility of doing something new like real estate investing? Am I thinking about what can go wrong, or am I thinking about the possibilities? A little thing that I will tell you, a little secret is both thoughts are actually necessary. Thinking about what can go wrong really causes you to try to problem solve, but only if you have the ultimate belief that it could work for you. If you're thinking about what could go wrong and assuming that it won't work for you, you'll land someplace negative. If you're thinking about what could go wrong and you're thinking that it could work for you, you'll then also think about the possibilities of how it can work right for you. And over time, for people with the right mindset, real estate investing works really well at building wealth. In fact, it's one of the foundational things that most people throughout the United States and most of the world, one of the areas where they build wealth. In fact, majority of the people who build wealth in the United States of America have some part of their investment with real estate investing. Just consider that fact and know that you can do it and that it's possible for you. Even myself, I've had to battle that thinking early stages when I knew nothing about real estate and I was interested. So if you've got questions about real estate investing and what you can do to get involved, please feel free to watch more videos from us, and definitely send us a private comment or a comment below and we'll be happy to respond to your requests.